Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you're having a great day. Let's get straight into the point. So guys, this is my very first finance video in this channel and my first video in the month of November. So guys, today I will be sharing with you guys very basic and easy free ways of making money online, of course. So guys, for the entire month of November, I will be very happy with this month because all of my videos will be providing you information and great easy ideas with how to make money. So today guys, it is going to be very simple, complex, and basic. And free. But these ideas do provide you with a lot of money. So as I said, I am very excited to share with you guys these finance videos and these ideas to provide you with money. So guys, the first one would be YouTube. YouTube is completely free of cost, free of charge, and very easy to use. Now, a big factor of what you need in YouTube is dedication. In everything we do as humans, we use dedication. Dedication is a big requirement for everything we do because when you dedicate yourself, you're dedicating your time, your mindset, and everything you have into what you are doing. So with YouTube, dedication is very important. No? Dedication is key. Also, guys, talk about topics or do things that people actually want to watch. So you see, for example, people want to watch finance, how to make money. Now people are watching me in my channel. Since I have finance videos, you're going to watch me. People want to wake up from the simulation we are living in, from the world we are living in today. People are going to watch me. And people like seeing different types of topics of things we're doing within our world, the sports, many, etc., and so on. Yes, so therefore YouTube leaves you with a lot of money, but of course, as I said, you need dedication. Make your channel interesting about things people want to watch. Give your viewers enthusiasm, like, wow, I can't wait for this creator's next video. When is it? Make great videos. And you can also promote them for more people, for a bigger audience, for more people's attention, so on. Also, guys, the second way is know how and where you waste your money. So, guys, a lot of people confuse themselves with looking rich and actually being rich, which is what designer brands do. Now, a lot of people buy Gucci, Versace, Louis Vuitton, Dior, and many other, designer brands to make themselves look rich when they are actually not. Guys, a lot of people want to buy these things without even having money, without even having real money. Me, myself, I would not wear these designer brands. Why? Because I am not going to pay a lot of money when these people get it from somewhere else when the material costs less than $20, less than $10 even, and they sell it 1,000 times, 100 times, and so on and so on. Expensive, more expensive. A lot of the world's biggest rich people do not buy these items either, these clothing, these things, because they will not waste their money when every single pair of clothing is exactly the same. So, I'm not saying don't buy these things, but I'm just saying be careful and aware of where you waste your money. Think twice about it. For example, when the Crocs were going very, very viral, everybody that you saw, almost everybody had a pair. Now these people don't only buy a pair, but they buy multiple pairs and they waste their money. Why? To look cool. You know, to look cool. When every single pair of shoe is not the same, you know, you could think it's not the same, but to me it is the same because I have the mindset of making money and not wasting it in idiotic things. Do not waste your money in things that you'll regret in the future. For example, if you are growing, if you're a child that is watching me and you're, let's say, 10, 11, 12, 13, whatever is your age, and you want shoes, do not buy yourself 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs of shoes because you are going to grow out of them. And what is going to happen to those shoes? You will be wasting your money in things that are not even going to be useful to you in the future. The same thing with clothing. If you will grow more and more, stop wasting your money in things that will not be useful to you in the future, except things that will actually be useful to you in the future. Now, for example, guys, there are many things that will be useful to you in the future, like, let's say, investing your money in stocks, in your YouTube channel, and in many things, because these things will actually be useful to you in the future. They will actually make you money, and you know, when you're all grown, that your foot or you won't grow anymore, you can actually buy as many things as you want. Because when you have the poor mentality, you want to look rich while being very poor. But when you have the rich mentality, you are you do not care about buying expensive things, which is exactly why many people, when they are poor, they want to look rich and, you know, buy these designer brands, etc., without even having money. But then when they reach the heights of actually being rich, they regret that idea that came to their head about buying these designer brands. You know, the goal, what you may want, was having designer brands, but in the future, what you want is actually to be rich and not dress to impress or anything. Yes, guys, so be conscious of yourself. Guys, so I also wanted to talk a little bit about drop shipping. So drop shipping is when you have your online, let's say, store. It does not even have to be a store, but I'm using the example of a store. So you are selling items that you do not have with yourself, but you are getting from a supplier from the internet. Sorry. So with that supplier is going to send the package that the customer bought over to them. So this is what you will need. You know, look for viral items, viral objects that are going viral right now, and buy it from places that will actually, be cheaper. Now, let's say, for example, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Alibaba, and many other places. You could look up viral items, objects. And let's say if you have a Shopify, Shopify is being paid monthly or every 15 days, I believe. But let me use Shopify as an example. You make your online store, you promote it on TikTok, on all social media platforms you have. You promote those items that you are selling, which are viral, by the way. And let's say, for example, a water bottle goes viral. It is being sold at $15, 20, 25, let's say $25, and you can get it for $2 or $3. You can sell it for $10 because the goal is to make profit. It can be 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, whatever the amount is. Now, with Shopify, it is easy because once you have your shop promoted, the items that you are selling will be directly being taken from the shop, not from the shop, but from the store, your supplier, from your supplying store, and sent to the person, to the customer, while they are paying, obviously, and it gets easy and easier. But you do not even have to do it on Shopify. If you do not want to pay monthly, you can also do it on Facebook Market. You can sell it there on Instagram and many other places. That does not have to be Shopify. You sell it and you do the work. As I explained, you get it from the supplier, you send it to them, they pay you, and they do this and that. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video today. I hope you had a great time watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you really enjoyed my finance videos, stay tuned for my next finance videos. As I said, guys, November is the month of the money. My goal with these videos is to wake you up as a human, because nobody deserves to be lied to their entire life, and as well as to make you money. Not only are you waking up for my videos, but you are also making money from my videos completely free. So guys, as I said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for my next videos. With these ideas, you guys will be making money and will have the mentality of a rich man or woman. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.